You gotta love this all-electric development here in Roslyn. All right, let's find the unit that we're looking for. Of course, it's gonna be the last one.
Thank you.
Am I at the right house? I'm here for a water heater?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You have to go downstairs.
Okay, how do I get downstairs?
I sent the message. I think I sent to my son. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Okay, you go outside the right side.
Okay.
You could make a garage door. I go
Garage door.
right now.
Okay. Thank you. No problem. It's okay. All right. A little bit of miscommunication, but it is what it is. At least it's not raining out. I'll tell you what's crazy though is that these condos. Wow. Houseco Pro says it's almost 1.1 mil. My God. Crazy. All right. It's okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's Thursday. I have a doctor's appointment.
It's okay. No worries. You're running out of hot water?
No, you know what it is? My English is not good.
Okay.
He changed the February 2nd new hot water boiler.
Okay.
There was Friday, and then next day I was there, and 4-5 days I didn't use the water. 4-5 days later I used shower. Middle of the shower, getting cold water.
Okay.
And since first time, I think that's by making mistake. No, you could get here is no shower. So,
No, I usually have a carpet, but I lost it.
no
I
problem.
left it at someone's house.
Sorry, I cannot.
It's okay.
Okay. And see, I cannot hear any sounds.
Any sounds?
No, something running.
So now you have no hot water at all?
No, hot water. Every 20 minutes, hot water coming out and getting warm.
Okay.
And then after water coming out, and then I have to 20-30 minutes I have to wait. So until get the.
What language?
I speak Korean, but I
Korean.
understand.
Korean, okay. Very
20
good.
minutes. Okay, I'm gonna move this.
No, it's fine. You don't have to move it. It's okay.
You want some coffee? No.
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
So
That is
I
blazing
called the
hot.
company. What?
And that's cold, and this is. I can't even hold on to it. That's hot.
And then they said they coming. One time they coming. They said.
All right, let's see what our settings are at.
Oh.
150. That's hot. That's very hot. So the other thermostat is all the way low. Looks like it's at
I'm sorry.
100 degrees.
Very comfortable. So I
Yeah.
don't do too much.
About 100 degrees. So we're gonna set these to where they should be, and then hopefully all is well.
They changed everything.
The water is very hot. You don't want to burn yourself.
Yeah, no, I don't. When beginning is not. When
That
5 to when
120.
beginning cold water down.
Adjusted that to 120, and this one up here. Whew, let's lower that a little bit, just a little
Cold,
bit,
but here is no heat.
right around there. There's probably a 2-pole switch, probably, and let's check the amperage. Let's turn that off. Let's 2 wires, and let's do amperage. All right. Let's see what we got here. 20 amps on one line and almost 20 on the other. And no, you can't do it combined like that. You get nothing. So we have 19 and a half and 19.7. Let's turn this back off again, make sure it works. That's good there. That's good there. Let's make sure there's no voltage there. All right, L1 to ground, L2 to ground, nothing there. I removed the blue and the yellow wire from the upper thermostat. Alligator clip is on one terminal of the, heating element. So the blue and yellow wire are removed from the heating element. And we have our multimeter read resistance. And we have 11.8 degrees, and she's hot in there. Let's check the lower one, put our wires back on, and then make sure that's good too. All right, I just was pushing the wiring back in after reconnecting the upper thermostat, and it felt like it was moist. And see, dry finger. Yeah, we definitely have moisture inside there. Why? I don't know. Maybe condensation, but it's definitely wet. Let's check the lower element, and then we'll call A.O. Smith with our diagnosis. All right. And you can see there's still moisture here. There's moisture here. Look. Let A.O. Smith know. Yes.
What's going on with you today?
Customer's complaint is that she had scalding water, and then after 10 minutes in the shower, it gets very cold on her. I found the elements and both thermostats have been replaced already by others. The upper thermostat was set for 150. The lower thermostat was set for 100. My ohm readings on both elements are 12 and 13 resistance. I'm pulling 20 amps of power across L1 and L2 on a call for heat. When I was putting back my wiring onto my elements to when I was done testing resistance, I felt some moisture on the insulation. And if you shove your fingers in there, the insulation is damp, both around the upper and lower element access connections. But there's nothing visible on the floor. The connections on top don't appear to be leaking, but there's definitely excessive moisture inside this tank, and it's on. It's in a basement and conditioned space, so I don't think it's, deferring to you for some feedback here.
Well, I would explain why she's getting scalding hot for a few minutes, and then it goes cold. 150 degrees at the top, and then 100 degrees at the bottom.
Exactly.
We run at 98 degrees, so we don't really feel 100 degree water.
Nope. Exactly. That does make sense, So it's pulling from the top, that hot water, and then it's cold. It's literally scalding. Before I even got my tools out of the truck, I felt the cold water. Pipe going in, that's nice. You keep your hand on it. The second you touch the hot water outlet pipe, you can't keep it there for more than a split second. It's scalding hot, which corresponds to her complaint. But she's running out of hot water in 10 minutes in the shower. It gets ice cold, and that makes sense. I'm concerned about the moisture under the jacket. Any thoughts on that?
Could be condensation due to the temperature difference.
Could be. Okay, I always want to run that by you because, we came out here for a warranty service call as an ASP, but I don't see anything wrong with this heater other than not set right.
Yeah, I would, and something I'd really suggest at this point probably be to obviously adjust the thermostats both to 120.
Yep.
And then I'd probably recommend running, doing a flush until all the water is around the same temperature.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for the call. Reach you at the end. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
I know you could fix it because nobody coming here tell me anything. They just coming one bag, not this kind of bag, and then they done. That's it. That's it.
Yeah. Let me take a look at the old thermostats that they had in here and see.
This is what they come and keep changing. Your company, man.
Not my company, no.
No. I mean this company, man. No. My son is a lawyer, so maybe he's got.
Maybe. So the thermostats have been replaced. This one I just took from the garbage bag that she had. Is set for 120, and this one is like off. So it looks like it's just a case of incompetence here. Wow. This is very, very old by Federal Pacific. Wow. It's old.
Change it, too many problems, right?
Yeah. Don't look at it. Don't even look at it.
Yeah,
All right. Finished up the service call. Had a little small talk. Checked out a Kohler Rialto one-piece toilet from the 90s on the first floor powder room off the foyer, front entryway, and just building that new relationship that we have. Even though English may not be the first language, we still want to build relationships. So, but when she said she was Korean, I'm like,